Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a logo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing the Mailerlite logo from your emails and forms is a simple process that can provide a lot of benefits, particularly for brand consistency and professionalism. So, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, I want you to hover to the account settings on the left side panel of your dashboard or go to the top right corner and click My Profile. All right, whichever you prefer. Click the My Profile. Now, you'll be forwarded here, and I want you to click the account settings. Now, you would notice there is a Mailerlite branding at the bottom. All right, it appears at the bottom of your emails, forms, and landing pages. All you have to do is hover and slide this option going to the left to turn it off and click the Save Changes. It's very easy. When you do that, you will be forwarded here, and I want you to click the default settings. Why? Because here at the bottom, you would have all these default sender options for you. Your sender name, your email. You can also add the recipient's name. If enabled, the recipient's name will be displayed in the two of their email client. Now, this is the perfect time for you to put your own logo. All right. For example, you remove the logo, right? You wanted to establish your brand identity. This is a perfect time for you to upload an image. Click this option right here. I'm going to be choosing this. All right. Click on it and then click on select. It would be forwarded here. And then you also have an option to force update logo in drafts for ongoing automation emails and publish landing pages. You also have an option for the font family. If you wanted to change the primary color of this, you also have an option for that. All right. So it's very easy. Now from here, you can choose any of the following and click on the Save Changes. Now, if you encounter any problems removing the Mailerlite logo here on your account, you might want to go to the Knowledge Base Center. And from here, you might want to raise a ticket putting your concern that you're having problems removing the Mailerlite logo. All right. Click the Contact Us option. Type your message and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if you're having problems removing the Mailerlite logo. Just click on send and they will respond with you with an answer, all right? Because the Mailerlite logo can make your emails or forms look like they were created using a free tool. Removing it creates a more professional appearance, which can instill greater trust in your audience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.